So today, I'll be answering the question, does the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G support an eSIM option? And the answer to that is yes. Yes, it does. And if you're not too sure about your own phone if it supports eSIM, then it's a quick and easy way for you to check. All you need to do is just open the Settings app, and then you want to tap on Connections. Under Connections, you want to select the option SIM Manager. And then from here, you should see this option, eSIM. So if you see this option and it has the Add eSIM feature right underneath it, it means that your phone does support the eSIM option. So you can just go ahead and tap on it, and you can go through the process of adding your eSIM to your A56. And so I hope I've answered your question. If you have any more questions or you need some more tips when it comes to using your A56, then subscribe to the channel so that you can receive more notifications on any other videos that will come out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.